Samsung Electronics Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone US Version Smartphone Tablet 2-in-1 Foldable Dual Screen Under Display Camera 256GB Storage, Phantom Black, Expansive Screen. See more and do more with the ultimate folding mobile phone screen that puts a super slim tablet right in your pocket. Nearly invisible camera. Take in an incredible uninterrupted view with a true edge-to-edge viewing experience thanks to our first ever under-display camera. 120Hz AMOLED 2X screen. Everything looks brilliant on this big, beautiful, clear display, offering a mesmerizing and dynamic viewing experience. Multiple windows get more done. Start working smarter not harder with 3 multi-windows that allow you to schedule, edit, and build presentations in a snap, or take notes with the S Pen. Hyper-fast speed. Live life in the fast lane with built-in 5G connectivity and hyper-fast processing power. 2 screens, many ways to flex them. Do more of what you love at the same time with Galaxy Flex Mode. Fold it at any angle and hold it any way you like, or go hands-free and not hold it at all. Charge at the speed of life. Stay in charge, not beholden to your charger. With 25 watts super fast charging, you can spend less time charging and more time taking care of business. Connector type, USB Type-C. See more and do more with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 smartphone, that has the ultimate foldable screen, putting a workspace, theater, and game room right in your pocket. The sleek covered display unfolds to double the size, providing one expansive 7.6 dynamic AMOLED display on our super expansive screen. Work and play in any light with a high contrast ratio and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate on the main screen, plus intuitive blue light management that automatically adjusts based on the time of day.